Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can edit your item details on Transact in bulk. So first of all, you need to go in inventory module. On your left hand side, you will see inventory module option. Please click on this. Now, here on your right hand side, very top, you will see bulk action option. Please click on this. Now, you need to click on edit items. In edit items, it will ask you to download the template as because this action can be done through Excel. So you need to download the template and then after fill the details. So once you will click on download template, it will ask you two options: download blank template or download template with items. So if you do have already a list prepared where item details are available, you can use a blank template, or if you don't have that list prepared, you can use a download template with item option. Click on this. It will ask the creation date, from to item type, item category, and accordingly the item will get downloaded. So click on download template with items. Now this is the item template got downloaded. I have already prepared an template, an item sheet for this. Let me quickly go ahead and share it to you and show you. So this is one of my item template which I have created for product edit. I have made changes in the price here. So do remember that the column format or the column header will be same. Please do not change that. It will include your custom fields option as well in order to edit. So here I have changed the price of few of the item. I will click on save, and now going back, I will show you that how to upload it. So if I will go back here, here is an option to drag and drop the Excel file or select file. So I will select this file and I will go in my downloads, and here I have got a product edit file. Click on open. Now please check. Total records are 4, data is validated, and it will ask for the confirmation of editing 4 items. Click on edit and upload successful, numbers of item edited 4. You need to just close this. Now I will go back to one of my item and just check. So there was one of the butterfly valve in which I made the changes. So I will just search for the item ID. And please check, here is the butterfly valve. Earlier it was at 600. Now the price is updated at 800. So this is how you can edit item in bulk by using Excel file. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.